Now, I have a pretty awesome little gadget here to show you. This is made by Xvision, and they call it their MNV 100 Night Vision Mini Viewer, and it is very small, as you can see. So we're going to go into this in more detail in just a moment. Before we get started here, as I'm sure you've noticed online, Google and YouTube have been doing quite a bit to demonetize the gun industry's content on their channels, and items like this and companies like Xvision help support us. What they do is they do affiliate linking. So down in the description, if you want to purchase this unit, we'll provide a link for you. And then as a content creator, I get a small percentage of that to help fund future videos, to help buy ammo, to help pay for the video editing process and keep providing good content for you guys. So if you're interested in this product, please click on the link and consider making a purchase. That being said, back onto the review. Now, the Shadow Series mini viewer is, like you can see, a very compact viewer here. You have your screen right there. It comes with a little cable I attached so you can wear it like you would a binocular, and then all your controls are on the top there. Now, what's unique here is you have two different what would appear to be lenses on the front, but you really only have one. You have your lens there, and that is your infrared illuminator, which, as you will see, is it's a pretty heavy-duty illuminator for such a small unit. On the top, you have your controls such as your zoom. This is a 2 to 8 zoom, I believe. And then if you press the button rather than hold the forward and rearward buttons, you can adjust the brightness of your IR illuminator depending on what range you want to get. There's different menu settings, different mode settings, and there's even record settings. So here I will be putting a SD card in there, and we're going to be taking a look at this little mini viewer. Let's see if it'll power on here a moment. There you go. Xvision Optics. So what's really nice is you don't even need to use... Let's see if I can get to focus here. You don't even need to use it at night. It has a full video viewer. So even during the day here, let us get outside, or even at the night, the viewer will still work.